Let's see how to do this.
Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to create this Spiderman web landing effect using AI. So this effect is trending in Instagram and other social media. So we are going to see how to create this using AI. So let's get started. First, you need to shoot these two videos. One is the static video and another one is the selfie video. The static video need to be taken using tripod, or you can place your camera on any other static area. You need to first capture the blank location. Then you need to come inside the frame and do the landing pose. Next one is the selfie video. You need to do it like this. You can do any dialogues if you want. Let's drop both the video in your video editor. You can use any video editor you have. I'm going to use Premiere Pro. I have already dropped my video over here, and you can see I dropped the first video, and you need to take the screenshot of the blank location. In Premiere Pro, you need to click on this icon to take the screenshot. Then scroll and you need to take the screenshot of your landing pose. Take screenshot. Then you need to split the video here. And you need to delete the front part. Now we have two screenshots. One is the blank location next to a Spiderman landing pose. Now go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I have given this prompt as a notepad file. You can download it from the link in the description. After pasting the prompt, click on enter. It will ask both the images that you took screenshot. So I'm gonna paste both that images. You can see I added both the images, and I will click on enter. And it will ask multiple questions. You need to answer it. So the first one is, how long should the video be? So I'm gonna choose 4 seconds, then comma second. Should the character simply perform one web swing into the landing or perform an aerial kick before landing? So I'm going to choose perform an aerial trick before landing. You can also simply perform one web swing if you want. I'm going to choose perform an aerial trick. Copy that and I'm going to paste it over here, and I'm going to choose as backflip. And third one, should the character begin very far away, moderately far, or end up close to the camera? I'm going to choose very far away. And fourth question, should there be one web swing or multiple web swing? I'm going to choose one web swing. Fifth one, what pace are you aiming for? I'm going to go with cinematic and heroic. Sixth, should the camera remain completely static, or would you like subtle cinematic movement? I'm gonna go with static motion. Should the landing feel heavy and powerful, or light and agile? I'm gonna choose light and agile. Should the landing create any environment reaction? I don't want that. If you want, you can choose anyone from here, or you can also choose your own idea. I'm gonna choose no effects. Ninth, after landing, should the character immediately look directly at the camera, keep looking downward, or slowly raise their head towards the camera? I'm gonna choose immediately look at the camera. You can customize based on your personal preferences. Should the final pose hold for a brief moment? I'm going to choose less than 0.5 second. Any additional effects or emotions you are likely to include? If you have any in your mind, you can choose. I'm going to go with a none and enter. And it will create the prompt. Now copy this prompt, and we are going to use the model Seedance, which is the best model right now to create this effect. So I'm going to just choose Seedance 2.0. For this, I'm going to use 11 Labs. Link is in the description. The basic subscription starter pack starting from $5, so you can make use of it. It will give you 30k credits. Also, it have free version. You have 10k credits on free version. So go to image and video in 11 labs. Click on here, and I'm gonna change the model to Seedance 2.0 fast. You can go with a resolution of 720p. I'm gonna go with 480p, and I'm gonna change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and change the duration to 4 seconds and add the start frame, the clean location, and the end frame with your Spiderman landing post. Now paste the prompt and click on enter to generate your video, and it will take like 3 to 4 minutes, and you can get the result, and you can see the result. It will take at least 2 to 3 generations to get a better result. After 3 tries, I got this result. I am satisfied with this one. You can also use Seedance 2.0. Don't use Seedance 2.0 mini. It will completely change your character. You can either use Seedance 2.0 fast or Seedance 2.0. Now drop your generated video in front of the timeline. Since the output video is 480p, I'm gonna fill this video to frame, and you can see the result. Then scrub through the timeline and stop on the location where you show this Spiderman hand pose, and take screenshot of this. Then split the video in this location and delete the remaining parts, and drop your selfie video. Take screenshot on your first frame where you show your face. I'm gonna take screenshot on this location. I'm gonna take screenshot, and we need to create a web grabbing effect. So here, this is the static shot, and we are going to do the animation like the web is coming out of the hand and grabbing the camera to the selfie mode. Further, I have created one prompt, and you need to do that in a video model called PixVerse. To access this video model, you can directly go to pixverse.com. You will get minimum 90 credits for the first login. You can create from there. So this is the PixVerse.ai. You can go down here and choose the transition and add your first frame, add your last frame. So this is the first frame and this is the last frame. First you need to select the first frame and last frame, and change the model to PixVerse V6 and change the duration to 1 second. So this is the reason we are going to use PixVerse. So this model have 1 second video generation. So we are going to use this PixVerse model. Seedance only have 4-second minimum, but PixVerse has 1 second. So we are going to use that, and you can use 720p for a higher resolution. You will get 3 free trial for the new users, and you need to paste this prompt. I have given this prompt as well in the description as a notepad file. You can download it and click on create. It will also take at least 2 to 3 tries to get your desired result. So this is the one I like. I'm gonna drop that video in the project file and drop this video on the timeline. You can also create the web grabbing animation manually. I also made a tutorial long back. You can check it out on my YouTube channel as well. So instead of using PixVerse, you can also try the manual method to grab this wide shot to selfie mode by web grabbing. Now, if we play the video, You can see still it is little longer for web grabbing. So I'm gonna increase the speed of this image. I'm gonna unlink the audio first. I'm gonna delete that audio and I'm gonna go to speed and duration and increase the speed by 200%. Now if you play, you can see it is fast and cinematic. I also have this web grabbing sound effect. You can download it from the link in the description. I have given both the prompts and the sound effects. All are in the same link in the description. So I dropped this sound effect and you can see the difference. So let's play from the start. Let's see how it is. And after doing color grading, changing the ambient sound and adding some transition and sound effect, this is the result. Let's see how to do this. That's it. This is how we can create Spider-Man web landing effect. So you can do it yourself and post it on your social medias, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.